Screen iconic Kamal Haasan, who is all set to celebration as 69th birthday on November 7, has some exciting news for as fans. His upcoming film, previously known by the tentative title Kamal Haasan 234, has now been officially named Tugalaf, and its Mars Kamal Haasan and Maniratnam is reuniting after 30 years. The film shooting is in full swing and the complete cast and crew will be revealed soon. Kamal Haasan and Maniratnam last celebration on the iconic film Nayakan 35 years ago, which has a dedicated fan base. Now those two legend figures every timing up once again for Kamal Haasan 234, a film jointly produced by Raj Kamal Film International, Madras Talkies, Red Giant Movies, or Mahendran and Shiva Anant. Thank you for watching. Please support me.